Hi guys, today I am going to solve this nice exponential math problem 15 to the power 30 divided by 30 to the power 15 equal what? Before starting the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. At first we can write solution 15 to the power 30 divided by 30 to the power 15 is equal 15 to the power, this 30 is 15 plus 15 divided by 30 to the power 15. We know a formula. This formula is a to the power m plus n equal a to the power m dot a to the power n. By applying this formula, we can write 15 to the power 15 dot 15 to the power 15 divided by 30 to the power 15 is equal 15 to the power 15 dot 15 to the power 15 divided by, we can write 30 as 15 dot 2 to the power this 15. We know another formula. This formula is a dot b to the power m equal a to the power m dot a to the power n. By applying this formula, we can write here 15 to the power 15 dot 15 to the power 15 divided by 15 this 15 to the power this 15 dot this 2 to the power this 15. This 15 to the power 15 cancel by this 15 to the power 15. Here 15 to the power this 15 divided by this 2 to the power this 15 equal, we know another formula, a divided by b, a to the power m divided by b to the power m equal a by b to the power m. By applying this formula, we can write 15 divided by 2 to the power 15 equal 15 divided by 2 is equal 7.5 to the power 15. Therefore, (15 to the power 30 divided by 30 to the power 15 is equal 7.5 whole power 15. This is right answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.